dripping juice.
Right.
Oh, hot. And it's dripping all over me. Are you okay? It's the year of the cabbage, so you know we gotta try some viral recipes. Healthy edition. Don't forget to thumb this video. If you think cabbage is boring, think again.
Am I the last person to know that 2026 is the year of the cabbage? In its honor, let's make garlic butter melting cabbage. We take this humble vegetable and bake it in a creamy garlic butter sauce until it becomes soft, tender, and melty. First, sear the cabbage wedge, then transfer to a large baking dish. Saute shallots and garlic in butter, then add in chicken broth, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, chili oil, and oregano. Pour the sauce over the cabbage, then bake in the oven until super soft and tender. Enjoy!
Welcome back to our kitchen. I am the angel and this is the devil.
Apparently, yeah. We're yin yang today.
Yin yang. Well, you're gonna be so gassy today, guys. But like, come on. The year of the cabbage, unofficially. But let's make it. The first one is a cabbage bake. Have I ever baked a cabbage? Never. Until today. How cute are our cabbage slices? Tell me you guys also call cabbage cabbage to be fancy. Let's flip it. Look at us with our hands.
Going for it.
Ah! Butter. We're gonna add some butter to the pan. In goes shallots and garlic. Yep, smells amazing. Oh. Gotta put the hood on. It's flying out. Okay, chicken broth. Then heavy cream.
Yeah.
Parmesan. Stir, stir, stir. Chili oil. Oregano.
Wait.
Ah!
Drizzle her on.
Oh, well, ours is a soup.
Whoa. She's submerged.
We gotta bake this for 1 hour, so it better be worth it. Oh! I'm trying to like clean around it and then I'm making more of a mess. That smells fucking delicious. Ours is very soupy. It's like a cabbage soup. Cheers. It tastes like a guilty pleasure. But you're eating cabbage, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so it must be healthy, right? Cabbage is like what, 0 calories?
It's like minus, right? It's negative calories if you like count your body's like energy intake to burn it, right?
To make this.
To make this. Guys, this is actually so good. Oh, it's got a bit of a kick because of that chili oil, but it's got that creaminess. Like picture a nice cheesy baked pasta.
Like hearty too.
But replace the pasta with cabbage. So good.
And it still has like a little bit of a crunch.
All the layers in the cabbage just soak up all that sauce. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drink this. Oh, we should dip it with bread. Suddenly, so it becomes like unhealthy because it's full of carbs. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Okay. What's up? We gotta clap. Living for this recipe, like triple thumbs up, I think. Like triple thumbs up.
Actually, I'll give it 3 thumbs.
We haven't had a triple thumb in a while.
Yeah. You know why? Because it's like creamy, but not sickening as well. I think because it's like, the cabbage is not like pasta, you know? It's not like...
It's not heavy.
So starchy.
It's not heavy, but it's creamy. It's savory. It's garlicky. It's got that little bit of spice. It's cheesy.
Oh.
It's everything you want in a comforting meal.
Yeah.
But keep it healthy.
Right.
Well, hot. It's worth burning my tongue over. Oh my god. If I'm gonna be gassy all day, I'm just glad I'm being gassy because I ate this. It's worth it. Definitely have to make this one. We're starting off with a bang. I don't know how the others are gonna compete. This one blew our minds and stomachs. Oh, this dish looks so comforting.
If you need a one-pot dinner inspo, this is for you. This is foods that feel like a warm hug, and today we're making mille-feuille nabe. You kick it off by quartering napa cabbage, then layering thin pork belly slices in between the leaves. Cut the cabbage layers into 2 to 3 inches.
Cabbage. Okay, that actually looked really pretty how she like laid that out and like assembled it. Well, let me try. We do. She layered it the whole way. That's perfect. And like you can just get those like frozen slices. Guys, oh my gosh. Slice on top and repeat. How many layers do you think we need? I don't know.
5?
Okay, just make sure your meat slices are defrosted because now I'm like scraping the layers off with my fingernails and it's gross.
5.
Do we just keep going like, no, 5 layers?
Then we cut it into 3s.
Because she had a big cabbage.
Because we have to like...
Look at us trying to calculate stuff. We're not even good at math. Let's do one more. Let's just do one more. Okay. Yep. Now we cut. She cut hers into 4s. We're gonna do 3s because we've got like a mini cabbage. You gotta hold the other side. Yeah?
Oh.
Ish. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping juice.
I don't know why it's reminding me of a sandwich.
Ew, would you bite into this raw sandwich? It looks pretty but also gross because it's raw meat. And it's dripping all over me. Ew. How does she do it?
Yeah, she like fans it around, yeah.
Like that? And
Yeah.
It's gonna go around?
So I feel like we need more.
I feel like we need way more. I think we're going right. Okay, more layers.
Therapy.
Be right back.
No, now I have
Now you have meat fingers. Oh, and then we fill the hole up so it's fine. There's like a gap.
like mushroom.
Okay. Okay, look at us. Ooh.
She's pretty. She's like a flower.
Okay, now we gotta do like that pretty mushroom. Do you know how to do a pretty mushroom? Do you just like, how do I do it like this? Like a
Plus
cross.
sign, yeah.
Like an LV.
LV mushroom. Wait,
No.
put the shiitake in first so it stands.
Put the enoki.
Oh, enoki.
Yeah, because we really know our mushrooms.
I don't eat mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms.
Oh my god, yes! How did I not
You
like remember
right?
this? Yes, I would always eat your mushrooms. What about enoki?
I think we could put the enoki to make it stand.
Okay. What do we think, guys?
Ooh.
Oh, yes! And look at my dashi stock. I kind of made a little bit too much, but you know, whatevs. Soy sauce and mirin. Did I get it on my white?
No, not yet.
Not yet, because you know I will. Some ginger. We're gonna skip the chili. We're gonna spoon this in. Yeah,
This
dinner.
looks so dense. Ours look extra dense.
She probably used a much more like shallow pot, and then ours is just like, yeah. Alf and Lila are gone on a little daddy-daughter vacation with our friends, so literally it's just us at home. It's gonna be our dinner for the next 2 days. We're gonna cook this. Oh, she's heavy. Oh. I thought this would shrink down, but it really didn't.
I feel like it got bigger.
It just puffed up or something, guys. It's like totally filled to the brim. Wow, okay, it's cooked, definitely cooked. Alright, shall we try the soup first?
Oh yeah. Very light.
Very light.
Very healthy.
Tastes healthy.
Wait,
You wanna come? How cute is that? Look how high his pants are. I'm just gonna try this. It's gonna be very numb. Okay, it's very hot. I think you need a dipping sauce, but let's just try. That's good. It's like clean meal. If you want more flavor, because this is, I think it's kind of mild. Too crazy. I mean, Desmond can definitely eat this.
It's definitely healthy.
It's healthy. It's healthy. It tastes healthy. It's not gonna be heavy. Isn't it like Korean? Are you okay? Apparently, like Japanese and Koreans, when they want to lose weight, they eat a lot of cabbage.
It definitely feels healthy, but it's like still yummy.
It's yummy, and I think because like it's like a good base, you can kind of. Okay, okay. Are you excited? Are you excited for the dipping sauce? It wouldn't be complete without a dipping sauce, so we've got one here. Mommy's gonna try this with the dipping sauce now.
I guess it's like more bland, so you dip with flavor, right?
Yeah. Hold my shot. Hold my shot.
Better?
Yeah. Now it's hot pot.
I feel like it's fairly easy. So I guess you can like season it with whatever sauce you want.
Make your own sauce, but this is such a good base. After a long day at work, if I came home to this, I would be very happy. Perfect for like a winter day. Cabbage. Yeah? You like it? He likes it. This is double thumbs. I'm gonna say it's double thumbs. Double thumbs. Yes. Double thumbs. Thumbs up.
It's just very big for me.
Guys, we should have cut ours into 4s because they're not really bite-sized at all. You need to like cut these down a little bit more. Double thumbs up. Double thumbs up. We can't do a healthy episode without a salad. Purple cabbage salad. The hardest thing about this recipe is prepping all the ingredients. Yeah. My question is it easier to shred it like this or to like slice it like she did? We'll try both and see. Every time I bring this tool out, it's like scares me. Slice, slice, slice. How to hold this to slice. How to hold you. Okay. It's really easy. I don't think I'm gonna even try the other way. Should we look at it? Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. The wrong day to wear white, seriously. This purple cabbage juice is gonna go all over me. flying
messy.
everywhere. Cabbage queens. Oh no, not really. How do I hold this now? It just gets more awkward. No, no. What if I just like...
Was that easier then?
I mean, it's easier when it's smaller. Maybe you gotta do the 2 techniques. Ooh, catches Zen. Like, you're the... It's like I shred and then Zen just picks up the mess. Together we are a team. What do we think? Should we just cut our losses? Cut our finger or cut our losses? Cut our losses.
Well, I've cut my finger before, so I ain't cutting my losses.
Okay, now we just add our cabbage into our bowl. Actually, it's a lot of cabbage, but it's gonna shrink. It's gonna shrink, guys. And then I've already grated carrots. We're gonna add some salt and it's gonna draw out the moisture. Mix it. I'm gonna leave this on the side for about like 10 minutes and then drain out the excess water. Let's make the dressing. You're gonna need garlic, minced garlic, chili powder, sesame seeds. Then you need to add hot oil into this. I'm literally just microwaving oil right now. Hot oil coming through. That wasn't hot enough. That's it, we'll just microwave this. That helped it a little bit.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah, it's more fragrant now. Just microwave if your oil's not hot enough. Bingo soy sauce, balsamic vinegar.
Oyster sauce?
Oh, oyster sauce. Interesting. This is gonna taste funky. It's like an Asian dressing, but also like a Western dressing. Sugar and a pinch of salt. It's gonna be funky. Put that dressing aside. Okay, our cabbage and carrots have softened up. There's not a lot of excess liquid, like not enough for me to pour out, but it is like wet. Ugh. After that, we're gonna add in our cucumber and then coriander, or cilantro, whatever you wanna call it. Save some because we're gonna pop some in at the end. And now we'll shush it.
Ooh, it smells good.
It actually smells so good. I was kind of doubting this dressing, but guys, it actually smells so good. It's like a fusion salad. She wrote that you can eat it straight away, or if you want it more refreshing, just chill it for about 10-15 minutes. Fresh cilantro goes on top.
Let's chill this.
Salad is chill. Are we chill? We chill, we chill.
I'm excited for this one as well.
I'm like gonna get a bite of everything. Here, have a bite, guys. Treat our guests. Cheers.
Oh yeah.
It's exactly what we thought it would be. Like a fusion Asian-y.
Very fresh.
All the flavors work so well together. It's a little bit sweet. Garlic, that like vinaigrette. Cabbage is obviously crunchy. And then the coriander gives it that Asian.
Yeah, we love coriander.
I love coriander. If you don't like coriander, don't add it in. I'm gonna get the bottom to get like the dressed. Yeah. That's just pop. It has a little bit of spice too because we added the chili flakes. Nothing too crazy though. If you go to a party, guys, make this. This is going to be a very popular salad. If you're going to a barbecue, make this.
Like on the side,
Yeah.
right?
Oh,
No, I'm good.
yeah, double thumbs up. Definitely make this one. I feel bad that I questioned the dressing. Like,
Yeah,
who was I to judge, right? Who was I to judge? Now I'm in love with this.
I feel like I won't get sick of this too.
Is that?
Because I think it's not a creamy sauce, you know, like a creamy salad, right?
Yeah, it's like a zingy, zesty vinaigrette
Yeah.
salad.
Balsam.
Oh, yes, yes, love it. We just need a moment to like digest what just happened because did we make like amazing cabbage recipes? Honestly, I didn't have high hopes for these recipes because like when is cabbage ever the star of the show? But today, you're a star, baby.
You're a star.
2026, the year of the cabbage.
It's the year of the cabbage.
It's the year of the cabbage and no doubt you need to make these recipes, guys. Let's be gassy together.
Which one's your favorite one?
Bro.
I mean, we gave the garlic.
Okay, the bake.
The bake
blew
was like,
my mind.
Yeah,
the bake you have to make, the bake, the salad, and then the hot pot.
Yeah, same. I'll rank it that way.
That's my ranking.
And I feel so healthy today.
We're so healthy.
I feel so skinny today. I feel so happy. My belly's full, but then it's full with 0 calories. So
it's
healthy.
full of gas.
Yeah, it's filled with only gas.
And
when you fart, you minus calories because it takes so much energy
When you
fart. When you pass the gas, you minus calories. It's like a workout.
You're basically like on a deficit today. That is it from us. Don't forget to thumb this Cabbage recipe video.
And subscribe for more kitchen chaos.
We've done cucumber, we've done carrot, we've done cabbage. What do you want to see next? Comment your favorite vegetable. Don't you dare put eggplant.
I was thinking about that already. I was like,
Get your mind out of the gutter, guys.
eggplant?
don't forget to thumb this video. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.